I generally do not want to go to school tomorrow, and I'm not just like being like, oh, I hate school, I don't want to go tomorrow. Like, I generally think if I go, I'm gonna have to sent to a psychiatric hospital. Like, I've cried since that fucking glitter in my hair. Like, every day since like fucking Tuesday, I've cried during school or after school. Like, generally, I don't think I can like handle school tomorrow. Like, I'm not fucking being dramatic. Like, I generally fucking think that like I'll fucking fake sick to stay home. Like, I generally can't go to fucking school tomorrow.